the only one, but I can't imagine nothing else. I see it every time I fall asleep. My body's aching, my head is hurting, my tummy's turning, my heart is racing, filled with ambition, I feel it burning. I want it back, got a plan, it's just kinda hard to word, it's all I need. I want more life of my Drake shit, and I'm getting tired of all the same shit. I wanna see my family, wanna see my friends, have been slept on like my name says. And I'm pretty far from being famous, but I sure as hell ain't nameless. I just take aim, I ain't aimless, and I let it fly like a spaceship and just see where that goes. You can never be certain, but I know that it's worth the burden. Some things got me hurting, I can't see, but I know that it's fine, cause it's all that I need, all I need.
They heads is turning, my family earning, we found a purpose. I gotta get it, the clock is ticking, the talks and verses. I pick my word and my foot imperfect, I think it's working. Know you heard it curving, the flow ain't slurring, it's all in cursive. Y'all know me, no at me, eating good, count calories. Music's all I have, love myself and that's so sweet, I got cavities. Always on for batteries, play my song, they'll laugh at me. Nowadays they sing along, God bless, I got allergies. So sit with it, but can't catch me, couldn't live with it. Stay the same, but I been different, I'll kill the beat the same. My pen did it, been feeling indifferent down myself. Hit sellers, read better than myself. Spend nights just trying to find myself, yeah, and I'm gonna find myself, yeah. All I really need is that castle. All I really need is this password. Fuck it, we on, say. I just want my team to see cash flow. Wanna see our dreams become actual. Things we live out, say. All I really need is that castle. All I really need is this password. Fuck it, we on, yeah. I just want my team to see cash flow. Wanna see our dreams become actual. Things we live out.
I know I'm not the only one, but I can't imagine nothing else. I see it every time I